How to disable Gemini Activity Tracking. This tutorial shows you how to turn off activity tracking in Gemini on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device. Tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap Activity. This will take you to your Google account's My Activity page where Gemini's tracking settings are managed. Once you're on the Activity page, tap the Settings or gear icon to open the activity controls. From here, find Gemini Apps Activity and tap on it. Toggle it off to disable activity tracking. A prompt will appear explaining what turning this off means. Go ahead and confirm to apply the change. Once disabled, Gemini will no longer save your conversations or prompts to your Google account, meaning your interactions won't be stored or used to personalize your experience going forward. Keep in mind, turning off Gemini Apps Activity also means you won't be able to view or refer back to past conversations through the activity page. Since nothing is being saved, your chat history won't be accessible after you close a session. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable Gemini activity tracking, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.